Look, I get it. Your car's your baby. And it's so much work to get your car looking good, and most detailing products have to be applied in pristine environments. This sound familiar? 50 to 70 degrees only. Not too humid, only indoor. Car must be perfectly dry. It's like your paint has to be in pristine condition already just to put this stuff on. We already invented the most popular DIY ceramic coating, but you guys were asking for something even simpler. Something that didn't need 3 to 5 business days to cure. Something that could be applied whenever. Something that actually delivers on what it promises. Well, gosh darn it all to heck, bless your heart for speaking up because we listened. This is Shield Lite, baby. A hybrid spray that cleans, shines, and protects. Goes on easy, wipes off even easier, leaving a slick, wet, glossy surface. Apply it in any condition you're in. Dry, wet, hot, cold, mentally unstable. There's no need to find a garage or shelter for extended curing times. No having to wait to hoon your machine because its ceramic coating is still curing. And what's so sick about this is that zero detailing experience is required. Maybe you've heard about ceramic coatings, but you've always been intimidated by the process. Again, it can literally be applied in almost any condition. Spray it directly onto the surface or onto your towel, wipe it on, flip your towel over, wipe it off, and you're done. From the makers of the world's most popular DIY ceramic coating comes the light version, available in both an 8 and a 16-ounce bottle. Shield 9 has over 3,700 5-star reviews. Here's what some of our beta testers said. So make your car's paint glow. Head to AvalonKing.com to get yours.